Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I want to discuss about one interesting stock in this video. So before that, let me give you a general disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered analyst and I am also not recommending any buy or sell on this stock. So if you do your own research and if you like it, you can take an entry into this. So right now I want to discuss about Blackbuck. Okay, so this company is recently started trading. Okay, starting from let's say 2025, but its business is very good actually. Business is very interesting business, and then new company, and then new management, and then young management, and then tech oriented, and lots of interesting things. And they have a niche space. They have identified a good space, and also they provide lots of digital solutions majorly to the logistic industry. So that's an interesting niche that they have figured out. They probably do well, and then that's not actually my forte. I don't do much of an analysis on any stocks in terms of the fundamentals or what they do and what they don't do. Mostly I will focus on the charts. The reason why I'm actually discussing a little bit about the business is because the chart in this counter, the chart does not have much information to say, and then very limited information, but that whatever information that we have from the charts, it looks really good. So that's why I wanted to kind of know what is the really business is all about, so that we will also have some futuristic estimation where this stock might go. So if you look at the chart now, the chart looks very simple. Okay, it started just Jumo. So it started here, 280 and around 300, let's say. That's its IPO price, and then 300 to straight away it went to 530. Okay, and then 530 it started correcting. Okay, and then continued its base between 530 and then 430, let's say around 200 150 200 points. It was trading, and then it gave a breakout here. It gave a breakout here approximately a month ago, and then once it gave a breakout, and then it formed a pole here, and then it is forming a flag here. It's a Poland flag pattern. Now this is Poland flag pattern is a typical pattern which forms after it comes out of the base, or it forms during the uptrend. So how could this chart in future evolve? So if we chart out its path, it is here. That's the pole. That is the flag. That is another pole. That is another flag. That is another pole. So it will do like that. Sorry. So it will do something like that. So it will go like that. So this will be a part of the first pullback. We will also call this as a pullback. In terms of 200 EMA, 200 EMA just started because not much of historical data is there. That is the 200 EMA. So around 440 is 450 is its 200 EMA. So that is an interesting one important level. Let's say to 450. Make it as a round figure. Let's say 250, 450. That's a one important level. Another important level is, let's take it as 550 just for the sake of memorizing or remembering easily, but it doesn't make much difference. So 550. So these are the two interesting levels that it has. Apart from those two interesting levels, that's a breakout, and then it came and it pulled into it 580. That's a pullback entry. You can take an entry here, and then it will go up. So either one of the best possible entry is 450, because that's 200 EMA level. But that is at that stage we do not know really if the stock would go out up. Then the another entry is after breakout, and that is where around 550. So another entry we would have taken at 550, and then that also we do not really know because there is no breakout retesting. So whether it will fail, that breakout will fail, or breakout will sustain. Now we have some more information that breakout is looks like successful, and then it is like a retest RF flag pullback, and then in that pullback we can buy. That is around 580. So we are now at 600. So this will be a good buying price as well. So this is a good buying price to enter into this stock confidently. So in days to come, this stock would actually do like this and go above. So the technicals of the stock seems good, and also the stock, the business also looks very interesting and solid. I do not know about their business, how much model, how much revenue, and all those aspects. I do not know, but looks like that's a good company. And then they have identified a niche. So this is what the analysis that I wanted to do on this counter. So if you like this analysis, please consider sharing, subscribing to my channel, share this with your family and friends, and I'll give you the description to my Telegram and then Twitter links in the description below. Follow me on Twitter. I'll post some interesting charts there, and also if you want any particular chart to be analyzed, so drop it in the comment box below. I will analyze that stock. So we will meet again in the next video. So until then, bye bye.